Hi everybody, welcome to my channel Santosh Kumar Kites and Jokes. In this video I am going to show you how to make the Magnus theory kite, which is also known as a rotating kite, spinning kite or revolving kite.
Scientist G. Magnus had invented this rotating kite. Materials required: thermocol sheet, measuring tape, scale, Parker pen, sketch pens, twine, poker, cutter, bamboo stick, tokens, gift wrapper, adhesive tapes. How to make? Just use a thermocol sheet. I am using a dinner plate for drawing a circle. Now mark 16 centimeters from the right edge of the thermocol sheet. Then 48 centimeters from top. Draw a line at 16 centimeters and 48 centimeters also. Then mark at 8 centimeters, which will be the center of the sail. Again, draw a line there. Mark 24 centimeters from the top, that is the center of the sail. Again, draw a line. Measure 14 centimeters from the center line, both sides of the sail, as I am doing. Also mark 3 centimeters on the top right and left corners and draw lines as I am doing. Then cut the sail and separate it from the main sheet. Cut and take out the pieces as I am doing. This will be our sail for the rotating kite. Now cut the disc. Now our disc and sail are ready. The dia of the disc is 32 centimeters and width of the sail is 16 centimeters and length is 48 centimeters, that is 32 plus 16. Take a bamboo stick which is at least 20 centimeters longer than the sail. Now measure the bamboo stick and find the center point, exact center, and mark. Since our sail is 48 centimeters, you can mark at 24 centimeters from the center of the sail on the bamboo stick, or you can place the bamboo stick, match the center point of the vertical sail and measure, mark at the end of the sail on both sides. So from the mark of the end of the sail, with using a knife or a cutter, you make them round so that the sail can rotate easily. The thickness of the thermocol sheet is 10 millimeters. So you have to make a hole in the disc. Draw a line 5 millimeters away from the center line, both sides. Then mark the center of the disc, that is at 16 centimeters. Measure 8 centimeters from the center point to right side and put a mark there. In the same manner, measure another 8 centimeters from the center point on the left. Again put a mark. Cut and remove that particular portion in which we will insert the sail. Again, find the center point of the hole and make a small groove for the bamboo stick which we are going to attach to the sail. Now, with the help of a gift wrapper, you can wrap the sail using adhesive tapes. This way. I have covered the disc also with a different gift wrapper. If you wrap the sails, it will help sticking well the bamboo stick to the sail. Then take a sketch pen and cut 2 small pipes for using the kite. This will help in keeping the rope away from the sail. Now take 3 to 4 meters of twine or a little bit thick thread and tie that to 2 different tokens to the small hole. You can see I made a big hole on which the axis will rotate and a small hole for tying the rope, and find the center of the rope and put a knot there. I am going to use these 6 plastic tokens. If you don't have plastic tokens, you can use the visiting card holder plastic and make this kind of tokens and make holes with the help of a poker. And then mark the vertical center of the sail and draw 2 more lines 5 millimeters away from the center line, where you are going to place the disc. Now I'll show you the arrangement of tokens. Put the tokens on both sides the way I am showing. This is to lock it. On this the kite will rotate, and the last token will act as the lock for the other tokens. This is how our kite will rotate. You can make a sail of this shape also. The vertical center of the sail is 16 centimeters and the edges of the sail are 10 centimeters wide, both sides. Now make a knot to the kite line. Now flying test. Look how nicely it's flying. Normally, these Magnus theory kites, that is revolving or spinning or rotating kites, need 10 to 15 kilometers of wind speed. I am flying this kite on the sea beach of Visakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh, India. I have tried with the other sail also. This is also flying well. Thank you very much for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel and like my videos. Thank you once again. Have a good day. Bye.